Welcome to Gun Trek, everyone. We appreciate you tuning in. Got a fun one for you here today. This is a classic made new again. This is the Walther P99 Final Edition. So as you would expect from a company like Walther, they give you a really cool package for a special gun. We'll take a look here and we'll show you what you get if you choose to pick up the last P99 that you can possibly get. First starts off in this big box. Open it up here. Look at this. Comes with a holster, OD green. Comes with some back straps. And this is the knife that it comes with. This is pretty cool. So you get a P99 Final Edition knife in a carrying case. Okay, it's pretty neat. And then here is the box the firearm itself comes in. Very cool box, tagged, nice presentation here, very secure. Open it up and there's P99. So it comes with a Walther challenge coin, comes with 2 magazines. Take a look at this firearm here. Now this was a pretty innovative gun when this came out. Great ergonomics, it's very dependable, it's a very accurate gun. Safety features on this were pretty stellar. They were ahead of their time back when this came out. Has what they called their anti-stress double action, single action trigger, which is very cool. It has a pretty short reset traditionally on these P99s. No snag for the decocker. This is just pretty darn cool. Look at that. Pretty unique, huh? Let's take a look at the trigger. So we'll go back double action first. Firm. Pretty long. But look at that reset. And that nice short crisp break once you go. Man, I'm just checking this thing out. Got the paddle for the magazines. I know some of you guys send me messages. You're like, wow, you seem awestruck. Well, sometimes that's true, usually not. But again, I think the fun part of these videos is I look at this for the first time when you guys do, right here. So sometimes coming up with the things that don't sound too cliche, but really give you a feel for this weapon is what I am looking to do. So traditionally, if you've ever shot a P99 before, you know it's a pretty soft shooter, crisp trigger, fast reset. Because of the length, right? It's not the flattest gun out there, but it's quick. It's very controllable, but this one in particular, if you're buying it, it's because it's a collector's piece, right? So this is the end of the line for the P99. Once these are gone, that is it. So if you don't have any guns with the paddle style mag release and you're interested in one, give it a shot. These are pretty neat. Some people will tell you they're the best thing there is. Some people will tell you that's awful. I like Ben Steger's videos. He makes fun of the paddle crowd, which is pretty entertaining. He's got great stuff. If you don't check him out yet, make sure you go do that. But here it is. This OD green frame is beautiful. See the final edition written right here on the slide. Feels very good in the hand. The sights, yeah, they leave something to be desired. If you don't like those white dots, but hey, it is what it is. So whether you're a fan of Walther, James Bond, or just want a piece of a handgun history before it goes away, then this one is a great way to do it. This is kind of a love letter to a gun that helped shape the striker-fired landscape as we know it today. So what do you think? You gonna get one? Leave a comment below. Let us know. Even if it's just gonna be a safe queen or something just add to your collection, I think it'd be a pretty good addition. So I've got a couple of these. Don't have a final edition, but this is a lucky customer's new firearm. So if you got comments, thoughts, questions, comments, put them down below.